Guys, Merry Christmas to you from my family to yours. Today I'm here with a different type of video. Today I'm going to open gifts with my boys. So let's get into the video. Yes guys, so this is my little boy. And he's the first one who's going to open his gift. It's something that you always wanted. So, I'm presenting that gift to you. Open your gift.
A new book.
Yeah, look in the book. Look in the back. Is that your book? So, guys, this is my big son. And now he's going to open his gift. That gift, say? No, the next one. Open your gift. Something you always ask me for. Open it. Yeah. Open it.
What is that? This? What is this?
Tear up underpants.
Yo.
Okay, guys. His second gift is a ball because I didn't wrap it. And he kind of saw it and I told him it's a gift, but it's just a wrapping paper. But it really is a ball. Is that it? So guys, his gift now, he's gonna open his second gift. Go ahead and open your gift. Yes, that's a gift. No, this time is not a trick. Open your gift. What do you think it is?
Feel like a book.
Book? Okay. Alright, if you feel like it's a book, you can open it. You want the scissors? Here. Use the scissors. Turn it around, not open it.
Got it.
Okay. Thank you. What is that? You say you wanted a wallet. And there you have a original. That's a leather wallet.
What is that?
That is a leather wallet. Right?
Thanks, Mom.
I'm not hearing that.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay. And now for the third and final gift for you, my baby boy. Woo!
Good.
That big box over there, you can go and get it.
Here?
Yes. Bring it in right here. Right there. So you can open up your gift. You can sit down, ba, if you want. Open up your gift. Whatever you get is what you ask for or talked about. What? And that is,
A guitar.
and you
Always
always
wanted
wanted it, right? Thank you, mommy. You're welcome, baby.
Press it. Open
Open it. Hold it. Put it down flat. Hold it. Play me a song, baby boy. Play me a song. Bring it on. Come on.
I just need to figure out something with the rights.
Play me a song. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. His third and final gift. Final gift. You can open it. Don't know where to start. Doing this. We're wrapping. Yeah, wrap. And guys, he said he didn't want anything. He said he didn't want anything for Christmas. So I just get something that he talked about that I think he needs. What's that? It's your pillow.
What is
Yeah. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching. They like their gifts.
Yes.
It was just a little prank at the front. The front part, it was just a little prank to catch their reactions. But, you know, it's not a prank channel, but just for the holiday, I'll give, you know. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we love you. Merry Christmas from Saniki family. Bye guys.